have a dragon-like beak and a stern old-man face.
Although they are not vultures, they coexist and join them in a big feast. Speaking of vultures, did you know that 11 species of vultures in Africa have to clean up to 70% of their continent's carriers? We will all be in a lot of trouble without vultures. Isn't that right, Mira?
That is so true, and all around the world. We are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Reasons like poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and even superstitious beliefs. Our conservation arm, Mandalay Nature, supports conservation projects all around the world, and especially in Cambodia, to save the wildlife just like the red-headed vultures from going extinct. So conservation like these are the only way to save these animals from becoming extinct. So let's show them our appreciation by giving them a big round of